If you want to verify your email on Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to confirm your email address so your account is fully set up and ready to go. This is important because email verification helps secure your account, makes it easier to recover your password, and can unlock important account features. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games website in your browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, head over to Account Settings. This is where Epic Games keeps all of your account details, security options, and login information. After that, look for the Password and Security section. That's the area you need for email verification and other account safety settings. Inside Password and Security, look for the option related to setting up or verifying your email. Click the button that starts the email verification process. Epic Games will then send a verification code to the email address connected to your account. At this point, open your email inbox and look for a message from Epic Games. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder, just in case it was filtered there. Once you find the email, open it and copy the verification code. Make sure you enter the code exactly as shown, because even one wrong number or letter can cause the verification to fail. Now go back to the Epic Games website and paste the code into the verification box. After that, confirm it, and your email should be successfully verified. If everything was entered correctly, you'll see that your email is now verified on Epic Games. That means your account is more secure and fully set up for future logins, purchases, and account recovery. If the code doesn't work, simply request a new one and try again, making sure you're using the latest email message. And that's it. You've now verified your email on Epic Games. It only takes a minute, but it makes a big difference for your account security and access. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Epic Games settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.